10. I'm your host, Antara. Government to assign alphanumeric hash to track WhatsApp messages. The government of India is planning to assign WhatsApp an alphanumeric hash for every message to track the messages. The hash will travel with the message, and if any wrong activity happens, the message can be tracked down without breaking the encryption. Jio is planning to launch low-cost 5G phone and laptop. Jio Platforms may launch its first low-cost 5G smartphone in partnership with Google this year. Also, the company will launch its laptop range JioBook this year, which will be powered by JioOS. Mobiq plans to go for IPO in September. Gurugram-based digital payments company Mobiq plans to go for an initial public offering by September 2021. It is planning to file the IPO prospects by May this year. The company aims to raise $200 million to $250 million at a valuation of $1 billion with the initial offer. Mobiq also intends to raise a pre-IPO round at a valuation of about $700 million. TrueBalance raises $10 million. TrueBalance, an RBI-authorized fintech app operated by Balance Hero India Private Limited, has raised $10 million in debt funding from a group of investors. The investment has come from Northern Arc, a Chennai-based non-banking finance company, and investors from India and Korea for its lending arm, True Credits, to support the company's growth. Chinese investors exit CreditB in $70 million Series C round. Lending tech platform CreditB has raised $70 million in its Series C round. The investment was led by TPG-backed New Quest Capital Partners and Motilal Oswal Private Equity. This transaction is a mix of primary and secondary transactions that has led to the complete exit of CreditB's early stage Chinese investors. VCs launch SPAC in US for Indian startups planning for IPO. Indian venture capital investors Ravi Adusumalli, the founder and managing partner of VC firm Elevation Capital, and Shashin Shah, founder of Think Investments, have partnered to launch a special purpose acquisition company for investments in Indian tech startups looking to list in the US. Real estate startup NoBroker raises $30 million. Bengaluru-based online real estate rental startup NoBroker has raised $30 million as part of its Series D funding round led by Singapore-based private equity firm General Atlantic. Barbeque Nation IPO to open on 24th March with price band at ₹498 to ₹500 per share. Casual dining chain Barbeque Nation Hospitality has fixed a price band of ₹498 to ₹500 per share for its initial share sale, which will open for public subscription on March 24th. Bengaluru bike rental startup Tilt raises $125,000 from Combinator. Bengaluru-based Tilt, a startup that provides EV and bicycle bike share for residential townships and corporate manufacturing plants, has raised $125,000 from Combinator and an additional undisclosed round from a set of angel investors. M Capital Management closes first $31 million venture capital fund to invest in early stage startups. Singapore-based venture capital firm M Capital Management has closed its maiden M Venture Partners Fund at $30.85 million. The company invests primarily in Southeast Asia. It plans to invest mainly in seed and pre-series A companies focused on technology-enabled B2B or B2B2C business models. The fund plans to invest in about 40 early-stage startups. That's all for today's bulletin. Thanks for joining. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. You can support our work by subscribing to our TV channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in for exclusive shows and programs. Thanks for joining.